We had a very interesting discussion in earlier session on EIA and now on CRZ. I'm just wondering, are we doing auditor's job? That means something comes in front of us and then we have to list at least 10 objections to it, then only it is good. So in environmental impact assessment, we are taught you should think of two scenarios, with project and without project. If we think of situation that without this EIA notification, without CRZ notification, if this country was there, would it have been service to the environment and what do you say, to this country? Or at least we have achieved something with these notifications. And I can share my personal experience with especially EIA notification. Say wastewater recycling, which cannot be forced by Pollution Control Board, came out only because of this EIA notification. Development of green belt around industry also came because of EIA notification. When it comes to building construction projects, earlier we used to argue whether solar thermal systems are required or not required, rainwater harvesting, whether it is required or not required, why should we do it? We always used to blame city solid waste collection and management system for us, but when it came, what you are doing for your big township or society which is coming up, voluntarily nobody is doing local solid waste management, forget, and at our home level, we can say whether we are segregating dry wet and wet waste. This is the situation. That means we require regulations. Now, when regulations are made at country level, it has to be macro thing. Fortunately, I think government is that way flexible. They keep on bringing amendment to the notifications and regulations. And both this EIA notification, CRZ notification are put on ministry's website at draft stage for commenting. That means as a citizen of this country and the forums, whatever we are associated with, we have every right and every possibility of making voice for amending it. We do postmortem. And then keep on complaining, oh, if it had been done. Even for the CRZ notification, it has a wonderful purpose because if you look at these powerful business houses and commercial ventures, they have done massive reclamation of sea and tree mangrove cutting and destruction of coastline. I remember in '95 when we were in NEERI, that was, I think, that pisciculture case was going on, and type of problem these pisciculture people, aquaculture people had. It was serious. Can something be done in the existing situation? It can be done. And here are people who are sitting and showing the way. Say, Dr. Rakesh Kumar is a member of high-rise committee, and as a member, he has said, okay, what are the guidelines for high-rise committee? It was not required, but he said, okay, instead of pointing out mistakes with everyone, if I can suggest something which can be done, and then it can expedite the projects, good. Recently, that SEIC 3, which has come out, they said, okay, for Greenbelt, project proponents are saying that such type of trees will be planted. Now, one of the members didn't agree with it. Rajesh Bilingwala is sitting here, and they said, okay, one of our committee members who says that he is expert in it, he will come out with the guidelines so that industry's life will be made easier. Earlier, I remember SEIC 1 had said that what they would like to say in the presentation. They have also given format for it. That means things are happening. So, all of us will have to say that what needs to be done exactly for improving the existing regulations. CRZ notification 91, 2011, EIA notification 2004, 2006. That means changing basic notification takes a lot of time. But incremental improvement is always possible provided we give suggestion and convince Ministry of Environment. It's because, as I said, they have to face Parliament, they have to face court, they have to face NGOs, and all those things. With that, I thank, because we had a very good discussion today, passionate discussion, and this needs to continue. I thank Dr. Rakesh Kumar and the entire team of NEERI which has worked for it. Thank you very much.
Only last